Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself, Dr. M.T. Bushair, presenting daily weather briefing. In this presentation, I will be discussing about the past 24-hour weather and about the weather that we are expecting next 5 days. First, let's look into the observed weather. So, over the Indo-Gangetic plain, mainly over UttarPradesh, Bihar, and also over North Rajasthan and Punjab, dense to very dense fog was observed, and over West MP, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, and over NMMT and Assam Meghalaya, dense fog was observed. And over Andaman Nicobar Islands, heavy rainfall was observed during past 24 hours. And if we talk about the cold day condition, the coldest condition was observed mainly over Indo-Gangetic plain, over Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Delhi, Chandigarh, and also over Uttarakhand. Now let's look into the visibility that seen last 24 hours. And this image shows the inside 3D cloud microphysics images. Over this marked region, we can see that the visibility was comparatively less, and over this Indo-Gangetic plain, dense to very dense fog was observed and visibility was reduced. It goes beyond 25 meters at many places, and after a break, airports like Patna, Allahabad, Lucknow and Varanasi reported dense fog on yesterday. And other regions like Delhi Ridge reported 200 meter, and Palam Safdarjung and Ayanagar reported 500 meter visibility. Coming to the minimum temperature observed during that reported during past 24 hours, and over this entire domain, the Indo-Gangetic plain, the minimum temperature was in the range of 7 to 10 degrees Celsius, and over central India it was in the range of 12 to 14 degrees Celsius, and its departure was almost near normal over most part of the country except some pockets. Coming to the maximum temperature, and maximum temperature was also it was in the range of 16 to 18 degrees Celsius over the Indo-Gangetic plain, and over northern India it was around 6 to 8 degrees Celsius, and the departure was below normal over Indo-Gangetic plains. Coming to the highlights of today's presentation, so we are expecting two western disturbances in coming days. So wet spell over Western Himalayan region from 29th January and our adjoining plains from 30th January. And the dense to very dense was observed at many places over the northern parts of the country, like Indo-Gangetic plain, and it is likely to continue. It is likely to continue during next 24 hours and improve gradually thereafter. So coming to the synoptic system that we observed today morning, one western disturbance seen as a cyclonic circulation at 3.1 kilometer above mean sea level over northern Pakistan and neighborhood, and its center at mid and upper tropospheric levels. And another cyclonic circulation we have seen at 555 degree east. It is approaching towards the Indian landmass, and it will under the influence of these two systems we are expecting wet spell over the Western Himalayan region and adjoining plains from tomorrow, and a cyclonic circulation seen over the northwest India. Now let's look into the warning issued for the next 5 days. First, let's look into the fog warning issued. So for today, that is for 29th January, so entire Gangetic plains, orange warning is issued for dense to very dense fog. We are expecting dense to very dense fog over some parts of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Chandigarh and Punjab, and Haryana, Chandigarh and Punjab. And we are expecting dense to very dense fog over Uttarakhand, northern Rajasthan and Odisha at isolated places. Coming to the issued warning for 13th January, that is for tomorrow, dense to very dense fog we are expecting over Bihar at some places, and dense to very dense fog we are expecting over isolated places over Uttar Pradesh and North Rajasthan. And for day 3 forecast, that is for 31st January, dense to very dense fog we are expecting at isolated places over East Rajasthan, East UP and Bihar. And 1st February at isolated places over Bihar we are expecting dense fog. And there is no warning issued for 2nd February. Now let's look into the warning issued for cold day. For today we are expecting severe cold day over UttarPradesh and Bihar, and severe cold day we are expecting over Bihar on tomorrow also, and severe cold day we are expecting over Uttar Pradesh also, and over Bihar we are expecting very severe cold day on today and tomorrow. And for 31st January we are expecting cold day conditions on Bihar and East Uttar Pradesh, and over 1st February we are expecting cold day over Bihar, and there is no warning issued for 2nd February. Coming to the hailstorm and rainfall warning, heavy rainfall warning, as I mentioned earlier, two western disturbance is approaching towards India, and in accordance with as the western disturbances approaches, we are expecting wet conditions over Western Himalayan region, and over tomorrow, that is our 13th January, we are expecting heavy rainfall or snowfall activity over Jammu and Kashmir, and the maximum impact we are expecting on 31st January, that is our day 3 forecast, we are expecting heavy rainfall or snowfall activity over Jammu Kashmir and Uttarakhand, and heavy rainfall activity we are expecting over Himachal Pradesh. And for day 3 we are expecting hailfall activity over sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and day 5 also we are expecting hailfall activity over sub-Himalayan West Bengal, and day 4 forecast we are expecting heavy rainfall activity over Himachal Pradesh, and for day 5 Arunachal Pradesh we are expecting heavy rainfall activity. With this I stops here. Please stay safe with the weather events, that is, as I mentioned here, cold day, cold wave and conditions, it is likely to prevail over the country. Stay safe. We will come tomorrow with updated warnings and forecast. Till then, namaskar.